Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your live Pepperstone account using Skrill. First thing I want you to do once you're logged into your account, come here on the left hand panel, click on Funds, and then click here on Add Funds. Then you choose your account you want to add funds to. We'll select this one right here. It'll ask us to choose our funding method. Now right here you'll see Skrill. I want you to go ahead and just tap on Skrill. Choose the amount. You can tap from here, or you can enter a custom amount, and you'll see the fees associated for that amount, and then just go ahead and confirm your amount. Right, as you can see right here, we are going to be funding $300. So go ahead and click on that, and then right here you'll see you're paying. It's going to redirect you to Skrill. Right, you're paying with our balance, and then you can see right here you can click on confirm. They'll go ahead and do an authentication. Just check your phone and enter that code. Okay, go ahead and do that, and then after that you just tap on that link to confirm the payment as well, and as you can see, payment successful. Then you can return to Pepperstone. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.